my home 3D print shop, I mostly make these spinning wheels, but one product I've been trying to make and has been foiling me repeatedly is a drum carder. And the problem with a drum carder is this. It relies on a material called carding cloth. This stuff is expensive. I've only found one manufacturer in all of North America that makes it, the Howard Brush Company, and they make good stuff. It's just expensive. I want to find a way to 3D print it so I don't have to buy this in, because right now I don't see a way I can make that economically. So, attempt number 3 is this stuff. And today we're going to find out if it works.